Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. And if you are new here, my name is Emilia Gates and welcome to my channel. Anyway, so since school is kind of around the corner, I decided to do more. Alright, let's backtrack here. I decided that I wanted to do some DIYs with some old clothes I have before I have to hit school, which from my school I have to wear uniforms, so this kind of makes
no sense
because I can't wear them. Well, unless we do like Spirit Week or like Free Dress Day, but we don't have a lot of those. Anyway, I decided to take some of my old clothes and make them brand new, just to revamp some of my old clothes, just so I have some cute stuff for like the weekend or those free dress days. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do today. I have 3 different options for you guys today. So yeah, let's get into the video. But before we do, please comment down below what you guys would like to see, what your favorite item that I thrifted today was, and any other ideas you guys would like to see. Also subscribe for more content, obviously. It'd be very much appreciated. And please like, because I know most of you guys are not liking my videos because I have no likes. But it's okay. I am starting out. One day I will get there. That was so weird. And also turn on the bell notification so you'll know every time I upload, which hint, it's every Friday because that was the easiest time to do so. And also, why not check out my TikTok and my Instagram? Those will be at the end of the video if you guys want to check them out, which I do a lot of pove ideas and sometimes I just do random videos. Lately I've been lazy on the TikTok thing, which, why does everyone keep saying it's gonna get banned? I don't really know. Anyways, so I hope you guys like this video and let's get on to DIYing some clothes. Let's go. Okay, so I'm actually gonna start off with the first item, which I'm actually wearing. I love it so much. Anyways, I just took this 21 Pilots hoodie that I had, which I wore or bought for a concert, and I love them. They are amazing. Okay, let me stop to my video. Anyway, so I just took this hoodie and it's obviously way too big because I didn't know how their stuff really sized at Hot Topic, because a lot of their shirts I've had before were like really tight, and so I had to lose weight to fit them, which now they fit. No one really could. So I just got a super large hoodie, and who doesn't like large hoodies anyway? They're comfortable, they're baggy, and they can hide that food that you just ate an hour ago. But today I decided, I don't really wear it. It's too big, okay? I don't wear it out in public. I'm not showing off this amazing merchandise. So I decided what every basic girl does, and I decided to crop it because I loved cropped hoodies. I have one that's like a NASA, but it was already cropped when I bought it. So what I did was I just measured out where I wanted to cut it and I cut across. Pretty basic, pretty simple, but honestly with it on, it looks super cute and I honestly love how it turned out. So here is the before and here is the after, side by side. And as you can tell, I honestly love it and it looks way better. Like, I'm even wearing it right now and I love it so much. It is so cute. So the next item on the agenda is this little like threaded top. I can't ever remember the name. Stitch work type of top. Anyway, as you can see, it's really big too, and it doesn't fit me, and I also don't think it's mine. But no one has to know that. So I decided that I was just gonna make it a little more fitted and maybe like off the shoulder type of like a bell moment maybe. I don't know. I was just kind of messing around and seeing how it will look, which I think it turned out pretty well. You guys are about to see. Anyway, so as you can see, all I did was I decided to cut the sides so I could pin them to like my measurements. So I put it on, you know, so I could see how much I needed to like put in the sides. I don't really know what I'm doing, even though this is like my planned future job. But I basically just took in the sides and I just decided to cut a little bit off, which I was so scared to do because there is a zipper and I didn't know what to do. But I ended up figuring out what to do, and I will show you guys what to do in a second. But after I decided to pin it with just some safety pins, I decided to trim this, and I used hot glue to glue like the ends together so it would like not just zip and then fall off, so it would stay on. So I did that so it would stay together. And then I also decided that I wanted to cut the collar. So I could not think of the word collar. The collar, just to make it a little more open and not so like closed in. And one of the hardest parts I had to do was actually the armpit. Like I kept trying it on and I had to keep cutting it and cutting it. So make sure you actually measure and not just do random measurements. Like use measuring tape and measure all the parts of your body that you're going to be cutting on this top to make it look good. So after I cut that, what we decided to do, which supervision for this part, I had an adult with me called my best friend. So you don't burn yourself, because you're going to take a lighter and you are going to burn the edges so the thread won't unravel and just the top will no longer be a top, it'll just be thread. So I had my best friend actually do that for me because she's better at using lighters than I am. But honestly, for real, use like an adult, or just be careful if you're an older person. I'm not calling you guys old, like if you're my age. Have your best friend do it, or you could just have your parents do it for you if you still live with your parents, like me. So yeah, here is the before again, and right beside it here is the after. They look completely different. Not really, but I will say I like it so much more now, and I feel like it's super cute, and it would look really good with like black pair of jeans and not the shorts that I'm wearing. And for the final DIY, I took this super large shirt, which was like I think an aunt's or like my mom's from a long time ago. Just a shirt that we just had laying around, and I was like, this color is kind of cute, and it had some cute lace on it. But as you can see with it on, it is humongous on me. I could make a whole pillowcase out of this thing. But instead I decided to make a cute tank top, because I've been seeing these tank tops around where they have like the little lace on like the collar, or you know, the chest line, or I can't say the word. Anyway, but the opening here, and I think it looks super cute, and I've been wanting one, and it has like little buttons. So I was like, you know what, let me make my own. So I did. So the first thing I did for measurements, because I wanted this to fit me, I took a shirt that was like the same size, and I decided to take a chalk pastel and I just outlined it to be the same measurements on both sides. And then for the straps, I just cut off the sleeves lace to match the lace up here so it would match. Then all you had to do was just sew up the sides and sew on the straps, and that's all you had to do. And honestly, the before and after is crazy. Like, it's insane. Like, here's the before and there's the after. They're literally two different shirts. And I honestly love how this one turned out. It is one of my favorites and it looks incredible and I love wearing it. I've been wearing it quite a bit actually. Well, like in my house because, you know, quarantine. Or unless I wear it to Walmart. But then it's like, it's just Walmart. Anyway, so those were all my DIYs. Here is a one more look at the afters. And yeah, that's basically it. This video is gonna probably be shorter than most of my videos, just by a couple minutes. But basically, that is it. I probably would have had a couple more DIYs, but I decided to go to a drag race instead, and here's a video from that. It looks so cool. It's okay. So yeah, I went with like my boyfriend and his friends and my friend, and we just went and had fun. And it was really fun, and it was legal, not illegal, it was legal, so. And yeah, and I also was having trouble with YouTube because my other video, my Romwe video, they decided to keep taking off my thumbnail. And so I contacted the people and they said that it was okay. There was nothing absurd about it, right?
And they keep taking it down.
But I don't know why. There's nothing wrong with it. There's nothing absurd. But, you know, that's the life of YouTube. So hopefully this thumbnail does not get taken down so you can actually click on it and you know you're about to watch. And that's some random video of a girl smiling. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Please comment down below, like I said earlier, which is your favorite top. This is mine. It took no work or effort at all. I'm very cringy sometimes. And also, please like, please subscribe, help me out here. And turn on that bell notification. And all you new people, while you're here, go watch my other videos. I'm starting to get pretty decent. Okay, I'm starting to get more personality here, okay? I'm starting to get better at editing. Please, go watch my other videos. Go like those videos. Go to my TikTok, go to my Instagram. Yeah, help a girl out. Anyway, I love you all very, very much, and I will see you next Friday with another video. So yeah, see you guys in the next video. Bye.